Here's how you can share your screen on the Messenger app. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Now, in the Chats page, tap on a friend's name to open the chat. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the call icon to make an audio call. Once the other person answers the call, look at the bottom and tap on the Video and Games icon. Here you will see two options. Select Start Sharing to share your screen. Now, tap on Start Broadcast. And this will start sharing the screen in a couple of seconds. Once screen sharing begins, go to the home screen and open any app you want to share. To stop screen sharing, return to the call. Here, you have to tap on Stop, and then select Stop Broadcast. Finally, you can disconnect the call. And that's it.